How to send money from India to Philippines through GCash. First things first, without opening the application yet, GCash is actually partially available in India, allowing users with an existing registered GCash account and a Philippine mobile number to use the application. However, the new accounts cannot be registered with an Indian mobile number, and then for those who meet the criteria on the GCash application, it can be downloaded from any kinds of Indian app stores. Now, transferring or sending money into Philippines is actually accessible. You just have to do the usual thing or the usual process that like you're doing on using GCash. Going into send, going into express send or via the GCash Padala or generate QR, actually the same thing. And that is how you send money from India to Philippines through GCash.